In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable restriction mode on YouTube. Restriction mode on YouTube is crucial for controlling the content that users, especially minors, can access. It filters out potentially mature or inappropriate content, providing a safer browsing experience for younger viewers and those who prefer to avoid certain types of content. To turn on restriction mode, simply head into your YouTube. On your profile page, tap right here to head into your settings. On the settings page, tap onto this option of General. You will then select on this option of restriction mode. Just tap on it to get enabled. When turned on, it filters what you watch on YouTube, which makes it a valuable tool for parents, educators, and individuals who want more control over their viewing experience. That's how easy it is to turn on restriction mode on YouTube. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.